Previously, Grillo shared the absolut barca part.
Basically, we just wanted to do some urban stuff, and yeah, this was my first ever trip that I went to where we just hit rails and stuff.
I was just cruising with Grillo and he told me about this trip he was doing. Booked a flight a few days after that.
Jesse flew in midday, and yeah, like it snowed overnight here in Ljubljana, and we pretty much went straight from the plane to this like A-frame feature that we hit.
We came straight from the airport. We checked this spot out. It was some like elbow up down sculptured weird ass concrete thing. It was good to warm up on that.
Yeah, it's really awesome. Like you just kind of wake up and then you grab your board and just go like cruise around the streets and like try to find spots and just do them. And it's different type of snowboarding, and the whole experience was pretty different to me. And but it was really cool.
He's been riding bow and jumps for, I think, almost his whole snowboard career, and now he's hitting street rails at 31 years old. So I guess that's pretty cool.
The dumber, the better.
Why did the tree break the station? I need gas!
Pure ice everywhere, on the ground, on the rails, everything.
To have like Jesse along, like he definitely like pushed me into some like rails that I wouldn't hit usually, and I think that the whole trip was really something that I wanted to do for a while, so it was really good.
It's been good. It's fun to hang out with these guys.